Hey, what's up YouTube? This is your boy Lewis. In today's episode, I'm going to go ahead and show you 4 different ways that you can definitely check how much RAM you have installed in your Windows PC, okay? Now, this is going to be the exact same process if you're using Windows 10 or if you're using Windows 11, okay? Now, before I go ahead and go on and continue, I'll definitely please ask you if you can go ahead and like and subscribe, alright? Now, let's go ahead and get to the action, alright? First method I'm going to go ahead and show you, it's going to be the following, okay? You're going to go ahead and type, press the Windows plus R keys, and then you're going to have right here your run command window, okay? So you're going to go ahead and type in ms info 32 and then press enter, okay? Then after that, it's going to go ahead and give you all this information right here. Go ahead and kind of scroll down a little bit right here. As you can see from right there, all that information right there, it gives you all that information. This is probably one of my favorite options out of the 4 that I'm going to go ahead and show you today, because it definitely gives you all the information, very detailed. It gives you the install physical memory, available physical memory, total virtual memory. It gives you all the whole lowdown, okay? So that's the first option right there, okay, of how you can check your RAM, okay? Second method, all you have to do is come down to your start button right there, and then you're gonna go to settings. Then afterwards, just kind of scroll down a little bit, then you're gonna see that right there where it says about. You're gonna click about, and then as you can see right there, that's where you can see how much RAM you have installed in your computer, okay? And it also gives you the information as far as the processor that you have and all that, alright? Your device name and whatnot, okay? So that's the second method of how you can check. Okay, now we'll go ahead and move on to the third method, and it's going to be a little different, alright? In this case, the only thing you're going to need is your command prompt, alright? Go ahead and open that up, and then you're gonna have to type in that command right there. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the description box, and then right after that, just press enter. As you can see, that it's kind of loading all that information. It's just gonna take a quick second there. As you can see, total physical memory, it equals out to be 8,037 megs, which is the same amount as 8 gigs. All right, so as you can see, that very straightforward. Okay, so that's all you need to do. Go ahead and put that command right there. That's another method. Alright, and last but not least, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the last option as how you can check your RAM, okay? So the only thing you're gonna need is go ahead and open up your taskbar, and you're gonna come over here to this tab right there where it says performance. Alright, then after that, just come down right here where it says memory, and then so you can see that right there, it gives you all that information of your RAM right there, okay? How much RAM you're using. Right here, it gives you slots used, 1 out of 2 in my case. So right there, it gives you all the information for your RAM, okay? So that's definitely another quick and easy way to do it, alright? And then right here, it gives you the total memory, how much you have, okay? In my case, I have 8 gigs, alright? So that's gonna do it for this one here, fellas. So thanks a lot for watching, checking out my channel. See you here shortly. Peace out.